It's gonna be a new segment I'm gonna try out here on the channel. I'm gonna call this one Zero Dark 30. Night flying. This night we're gonna be out here with the Holy Stone this is the Holy Stone Bolt B. Got the bright LEDs blinding me here in the darkness. So we should be up in the high rate. This guy doesn't last long, but he's fun. So let's go up. Whoa. Whoa. Every time I put this guy up here, the throttle gets a little wonky with me. You guys know I like that word, wonky. So look at this guy looking at you. Looks mean, huh? I mean, you can fly this guy at night for sure, right? Look at the eyeballs. The back lights up, green, bright blue eyeballs staring at you. You fly this thing towards you, traffic over across the way is probably like, what is that alien thing flying around at night? Zero Dark 30. Zero Dark 30 flight. Look at this over here, super dark. Let's put it out there in the field here. I'm gonna get away from that street light. See the eyeballs? High speed coming towards us. Whoa, 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 don't hit the light. This guy's fun. It is a fun flyer. I highly recommend this guy. A little breezy tonight, nothing major, nothing to be concerned about. This guy can handle it. This guy doesn't fly as well in the wind as the Predator does. The Predator is probably the better overall flyer, but this guy will probably beat it in I don't know, it'd be tough. It'd be tough in a flat out speed test, which one's faster. I would say this one flies smoother, if that makes any sense. But the Predator, you guys saw my beach flight with that, the windy beach flight. I mean, I wish I had the anemometer for that flight. It was super windy. Let's get some flips. I don't know, can you guys see the clouds up there? There's some clouds up there. It looks real pretty in person here. I don't know if it's coming across on camera though. So Zero Dark 30, I know some of you guys like to night fly. Man, that's the thing though with this guy. Look at the LVCs already coming in. I mean, we got the two batteries. Man, that's a little bit hard to keep orientation with the the lights blinking at you like that. You think it's coming at you, but then it's not. I don't know, man. I just like to fly at night, fly in the day. Zero Dark 30. Let me know if you guys want some more Zero Dark 30 flights. I think it's kind of fun. So, guess I'll leave you guys out with my music. We'll probably come back with some more Zero Dark 30 flights. Let me know if you guys like them. Oh, flipped over. What's that all about?